今日咧，我哋咧就去探討一下，其實咧喺非洲入面咧，啲男仔咧係點樣去溝女嘅？呢個男仔係點樣去帶一個女仔去啲浪漫嘅旅行咧？Thank you。
今日嘅早餐係同琴日一樣嘅。
Thank you。一樣係有呢個 pancake、甘味、腸仔同呢個菜。
今日一早有啲特別嘅事情要處理，跟住之後咧，我哋先開始揾 Gigi 去拍攝。
You and Brian. Gigi, the
Gigi will
driver.
drive later. Come and we meet here at 12.
You're gonna date no lady. You will Gigi.
I will date.
Yeah.
How do you think he will do?
For the first time, I think he's going to be shy. For the first time, he's going to be shy. Good luck to Brian.
Good luck.
Good luck. All the best.
See you guys.
See you.
開始今日嘅旅程啦。今日我哋揾咗一個當地咧奧內托托咧揾咗一個男仔，咁啊帶我哋體驗一下非洲嘅男仔係點樣製造浪漫嘅氣氛。咁我哋睇下佢會做啲咩。咁我而家咧首先去揾咗佢先。Brian。How
are you?
My boy.
You're fine.
Brian 會帶我哋去一個鎮度。What's the plan?
Today we're going near the mountain. First we're going to town to get some flowers and a gift for her.
We will also get a motorcycle. Okay, so let's go to the market. 佢而家咧就同個女主角溝通緊，我哋陣間喺邊度見啦。If you have a girlfriend, where will you bring her on the first date?
I don't know, maybe a place she likes. The mountain, they are very good sights.
There's a hotel, not within, but outside that hotel. The environment is so cool.
As in, I like to know her much better, know her personality, such things. Know what she likes, her likes, dislikes.
Naftali is a good boy. He will bring the girl to where she likes, not what you like.
Know what I like. I'm not a self-centered person.
Good luck finding your girlfriend.
Okay, thank you.
Recording now.
Yeah, recording now. Town right now.
Yeah, we're in town right now. We are going to get the motorbike.
700 shillings.
700 shillings.
So this is the bike of Brian's. Can you try to explain me what is this place?
This is the market. The day for market, it's on a Saturday here, but they don't do every day. If you come on a Saturday, you'll just find everywhere. The same as this one.
You have to pay for the rent.
Yeah. You have to pay the tax to the county council.
Where did your husband bring you on the first date?
Guy, we Africans, things we don't. We take it like wasting money. When we used to be dating, we used to go to the bushes. That is my age.
A bush?
Yes.
For what? 因為我哋而家咧買唔到花啦，而家要去第二度睇下有冇花。So let's go.
So sad.
No. We couldn't get the flowers today.
Never mind. I could just impress her with what I got.
We need to go back and get Gigi.
Yeah.
This is the cup holder of a motorcycle. And this is also a cup holder for a motorcycle. Guess who's coming?
I had to open for you.
I have to do that shit. It's a part of the...
Today is not your day, okay?
It's not my day.
Brian is gonna in charge of everything.
Okay,
So stop asking him anything.
Okay, I'm just gonna shut up.
Just enjoy your day today.
What are you guys planning?
I think you guys are acting so weird, right?
Like, you even open the door for me. Like, what the hell, dude?
Too many, I'm going. Too crazy, and I got.
如果你可以的话，有10秒伸出来。
Can't remember anything, but I know we got lit. Good times. Live in the moment, feel like summertime. Obsessive nature, not a world mine. The room is spinning, but I feel fine. Oh my, oh my.
Let's check.
鬼好懶鬼。
哦，一個人真係搞唔掂嘅。你有看過一個人做 documentary
He's
嗎？
the only one with 2 camera, 1 drone, 1 Insta360, a lot of microphone.
我哋而家要飛一個航拍 shot，我哋啱啱後面呢度咧拍咗一堆 dating 嘅畫面吧，我覺得都幾正。真好，有一個攝影師啊 ，monkeys。If you make the sound, they will not run here, right?
No, they won't.
We are going to the second location, but me and Francis has no idea. And then we're following Brian and Gigi in front of us. 因為我喺個鎮上面咧都問咗好多人，呢度如果有啲咩好嘅地方係可以去溝女啦，即係所有人都話要上個山，跟住睇個好靚嘅風景。但係我哋而家真係 keep 住上山，跟住啲地全部都係好爛啊，超級爛嘅地咯。但係應該係仲未到嘅咯。Where are we right now? We are going up this way.
Yeah.
Francis, bad news. You have to stay here. That's too scary. I just got out here. 冇人敢瞓呢條路。I think we can stay here for a while. We want to buy something.
Yeah.
But we didn't get it. What do we didn't get?
Coke.
But then Brian got you something else. So.
Impress me.
You have to be happy.
I have to be happy.
Yeah. And mostly in Africa, like for the first time you can impress your girl with this.
Aww. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, see you. I think I'll take my picture.
选一个伴侣啊，最重要的都是什么？
我觉得是，其实我真的很讲究深度交流这件事情。
This is Kenya and this is Tanzania already. This is so nice. 超靚呢度。呢一個咧其實咧係一個雪山啦，即係你冇諗過非洲係有雪山，非洲呢度好熱，但係非洲有雪山就係呢個。好啦，我哋去拍埋最後一個 antic， 而家翻返去個草地嗰度。今日拍完啦。
收工了，好累。
今天是最累的。
對，我也覺得。
由9點鐘開始，跟住就 prep 到而家6點幾。I want to pee.
Like you have to go there. Like that is the toilet we have.
Is that African?
African.
I also do this in Taiwan.
Sure.
Yeah, in the mountains. Like where do you find toilet in the mountains? It's normal, guys.
所以我就要喺呢棵樹嗰度解決啦而家。How was your day, Brian?
Not that time. They also perfect.
Mosa, what's the best dishes here?
Fish fillets.
Chicken is fried or what?
Chicken broiler. Doing dry fry, wet fry, deep fry.
Oh. Let me show you something. Okay. Like, oh, sorry. Can you do this?
等
Do you
食。
still have? Oh, sorry.
What?
凍檸茶。
我咧帶咗好多 VLT。Don't worry, I brought
I'll
it
just
all for you.
drink it.
他要去偷我的檸檬茶咯。
Yes. 零食角落。
呢個係我成個帶嚟嘅一個零
What
食
the
盒。
hell is this?
齋燒鵝。
Goose.
It's not really goose. It's like 豆製品。
Yay!
其實咧食飯之前咧都有好多嘢要處理啦，譬如 main cam 要插電啦，我呢部要插電啦，啲咪要插電啦 ，drone 嘅電池要插電啦，360要插電啦 ，drone 嘅遙控都要插電，跟住我隻錶都要插電，bear 嘅電池啊都要插電，跟住之後就 back up。哇 ！That's amazing， 好似好味咁啊，超有心機咯，黐線，雕花喎佢啲嘢。Lawrence，amazing job。Thank you. So thank you to Gigi and thank you to Brian for our long shoot. So let's enjoy our dinner.